The door. Closed. The door is closed. The door is closed. The two countries. Big. The two countries are big. The two countries are big. These. Girls. These girls. These girls. My office. Far. My office is far. My office is far. Who? Told you. Who told you? Who told you? He knew. The news. He knew the news. He knew the news. When? You sleep. When do you sleep? When do you sleep? This. My city. This is my city. This is my city. They. Two doctors. They are two doctors. They are two doctors. He understood. The question. He understood the question. He understood the question. Your house. Beautiful. Your house is beautiful. Your house is beautiful. You were. A man. You were a man. You were a man. He took. A picture. He took a picture. He took a picture. Those. Scholars. Those are scholars. Those are scholars. You. Nurses. You are nurses. You are nurses. The schools. Open. The schools are open. The schools are open. I have. A bike. I have a bike. I have a bike. What? Fruit. What fruit? What fruit? This. A tree. This is a tree. This is a tree. These. Two rooms. These are two rooms. These are two rooms. I not. The student. I am not the student. I am not the student. He ate. A lot. He ate a lot. He ate a lot. I took her. With me. I took her with me. I took her with me. This. Your library. This is your library. This is your library. Their kitchen. Table. Their kitchen table. Their kitchen table. How many? Cars. How many cars? How many cars? He. Short. He is short. He is short. The house. New. The house is new. The house is new. Your family. Big. Your family is big. Your family is big. Whose? The book. Whose is the book? Whose is the book? You. Sisters. You are sisters. You are sisters. This. A foot. This is a foot. This is a foot. The bridge. Old. The bridge is old. The bridge is old. How are you? Today. How are you today? How are you today? Living. Room. Living room. Living room. They. Nurses. They are nurses. They are nurses. A strong man. A strong man. One moment. One moment. Behind. Behind. Gender. Gender. Bus ticket. Bus ticket.